I thought to enroll. Initially, I did SD-WAN and then I did CCNA DevNet. But
CCNA.
yeah, so for DevNet, I haven't finished fully yet because I'm still, doing SD-WAN thing. Um, I really appreciate your training content, what you gave for SD-WAN and DevNet also.
Yeah, hi Sanjeev. Very good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hey, hello Nitish, I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. And thanks for your time for joining this call. And as you know, we are here to have a quick feedback call to check how was your overall experience with us. Like recently, you have completed our SD-WAN training, and previously you have taken it is Python for network engineers and CCNA DevNet.
All right.
So it would be really great if you can tell us how you came to know about PyNet Labs and how was your overall experience and all.
Yes, I got to know about PyNet from my couple of colleagues and also from LinkedIn. So I was seeing your great work, what you are doing. So I thought to enroll. Initially, I did SD-WAN and then I did CCNA DevNet. But
CCNA.
yeah, so for DevNet, I haven't finished fully yet because I'm still, doing SD-WAN thing. Um, I really appreciate your training content, what you gave for SD-WAN and DevNet also. The labs for SD-WAN were good and it met my expectations. For like any training, my expectations are like, from the any coaching is like 70% I'm expected. And it was like above that. I really appreciate the content and the labs. So labs were near to about like what we have in our organization. So with your expertise in the training for SD-WAN, I was able to, get things what things are we are doing right now with the help of vendor. So we are newly deploying SD-WAN. We are moving away from a traditional network routing switching platform, right? CLI based.
Mm-hmm.
So this training really helped me, the SD-WAN thing. And I also built my own lab at home based on your lab guide, and I was able to practice. So I really appreciate that. And apart from that, yeah, the content was excellent, superb. So keep up the good work for that.
Perfect. So good to know that this training has really helped you in your organization as well. And as you have built your own lab, so it will be with you for lifetime. You can use it anytime whenever you want to practice SD-WAN technology. So that's really great. And you mentioned about the labs and the content. How was the study materials like lab guides which we have shared? So those were good. Those helped you in terms of learning the technology, or should we add something which can be more beneficial for our upcoming batches?
Yeah, it's like 70% covered, and like it's good till level 2, right? So level 3 kind of labs will be needed, right?
Okay.
Like for example, regions are newly introduced in the SD-WAN lab, right? So um, how the regions interact, how to configure those regions, and all those stuff is newly added. I think Cisco introduced in last 2 years, I think, or 1 year back. This is the new
So in
thing.
2023, I think you are talking about Catalyst SD-WAN, right?
No,
No.
yeah. I mean, this is
Yeah.
region concept, right? So now, initially, the SD-WAN fabric was like under one umbrella, right? So North America or Asia Pac were coming into one. So right. So now with the region concept, they are separating like one region, say Asia Pacific in region zero, sorry, region one, North American region two, right? So these the edges will not communicate directly with each other. Instead, they will go to region zero, so that to avoid all the resources and to have a good fabric. So
Mhm.
this is a newly introduced. Yeah, I think this should be introduced in your lab for upcoming
Sure, sure. Then I will
scenarios.
surely inform this feedback to Mr. Abhijit so that
Yeah.
we can add on this topic if we haven't added, because as of now we are covering the updated content only, which is
Yeah.
Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN. But surely I'll definitely convey, as I'm not the technical one, so I'm not sure whether we are covering or not this thing. But yes, definitely I'll convey the same. So yeah, thanks for your time. Is there anything else you wanted to share, which we can improve?
No, I think
No,
this
perfect.
suggestion was not for improvement, but like this is a new
For
thing.
betterment, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely, I understand. No problem. That is fine. So, yeah, thanks a lot, Sanjeev. Then, all the very best, and I'm definitely sure that this will help you in coming years as well, because as of now, this is all considered as a new technology only, and at boom. So, definitely, yeah. Thank you for your time, and you all the
thank
very
you.
best
Bye.
once again. Most welcome. Bye bye.